How to use the Bingo app.
Open the link on a device. Follow step 1 to install the Bingo app, but don't open after the installation is completed. Just come back to the job download page and follow step 2. The app ready for use. So, the shipment includes 4 packages. We check their presence and external conditions. We see package number 1 with no external damage, so tap on the barcode, let it bottom. Point the phone at the barcode and let it scan. Tap on OK. We see package number 3 with external damage, so tap on the barcode at the bottom. Point the phone at the barcode and let it scan. Tap on condition. Tap on intact. Select damage. Add comment wet. Take a photo and go back. Tap on OK. We see package number 4 with no external damage, so tap on the barcode at the bottom. Point the phone at the barcode and let it scan. Tap on OK. We see a package that has no number or tag, so tap on plus. Write a description, say it looks like a scooter, it has wheels like a scooter, and it definitely is a scooter, so we write electric scooter. Take a photo. Go back. In order to see unchecked pieces, tap on pause, tap on unchecked and see which numbers have not been checked off. We see here number 2. We check the contents of package number 2 in inventory. We find that it's a scooter, so we can check number 2 and remove it from the unidentified pieces. Tap on the unidentified on the right side. Swipe right to left across the entry that needs to be removed. Confirm. Tap on the play button. Key in 2 and tap on check. Tap on OK. Bingo. Go to sign and send screen. Tap on view Bingo summary. Review summary.
Disclaimer: as a result of checkoff of inventory consisting of 4 pieces, 4 pieces have been checked, 0 numbers could not be found, 0 packages with wrong/missing marking have been found.
Go back. Get the signatures. Once both the client and the driver have signed, go to the summary one more time and send this document to the client. Go back, tap on Cloud. Thereafter, this document will go to the bingo.boxme.com portal, where it will stay reliably for a long time. The Finish button closes the possibility of making further changes to the signed checkoff results. Back on the portal, tap on Download PDF. Review it and enjoy.